Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today we're going to show off this 2025 TRD Sport iForce Max Tacoma. Let's get started. Okay, we'll go ahead and start in the front here. As you can see, we have swapped the grille. This is a TRD Pro Grille. Toyota makes two additional Pro or Heritage grills for this particular fourth generation Tacoma. This is the TRD TRD Pro model, excuse me. They are identical molds. One of them, the TRD Pro model, is gloss black with silver lettering. There's also a Trail Hunter grill, which is the exact same grill, has the light bar cut out and everything, but it's a satin black finish with bronze lettering. So with that said, we wanted to go ahead and add a light bar. We didn't want to use the Toyota light bar because this particular light bar is brighter and it has a cool back glow feature. So as you can see, you have this amber back glow, which is wired to the parking lights. The amber coincidentally matches just perfect to the OEM lights, the parking lights. Of course, they make this in several colors. We chose to go with a white model or clear. So when it's turned on, the halos will turn off and then it'll just shoot out a bright white beam. One thing to be noted on this grill swap is that it does require having a specific camera that is used for the Trail Hunter and the Pro models. Even if you want to do this mod on your truck and it doesn't have a camera, you'll just have to put up with having a little bit of a hole here, or you can buy the camera and it may not be functional. If you have a model that does have a multi-terrain monitor or this 360-degree panoramic, you will actually still need to buy this camera so that it fits perfectly in the grill, unless you make an adapter to make it work. With that said, this particular camera does require a recalibration by a Toyota technician so that the camera, so that the lines match up perfectly on the 360-degree drone shot camera inside the cab. So a couple other things that we've done here. We did add a TRD Pro skid plate. This is the OEM accessory skid plate that comes on a Pro model, and it also has the red TRD lettering embroidered into it right here, which is just kind of stuck on there with plastic clips. So if you didn't like silver, you wanted it to be black or bronze or something like that, you could pop out the TRD letters, have it powder coated or painted, and then you could pop those letters right back in there without having to cut around them. Moving off to the side, you'll notice the stance is a little bit different. This has a level kit. It is a Toyota 2-inch level kit, so we haven't changed anything in the rear at all. We did upgrade the tire size. We went through a couple different tire iterations to see what we liked on this particular truck. We went with the Toyo Open Country AT3s, which we actually had on a 285/70 previously. It just didn't fill in the wheel wells as we were hoping it would. So we went ahead and upgraded to a 285/75 18. So this is somewhere in the 34 to 35 range, depending on how you actually measure it versus looking at the size chart. This is on the OEM 18-inch TRD off-road wheels, as you can see. No wheel spacers and absolutely no rub at all. Even in a hard lock and reverse, you don't get any kind of rubbing whatsoever. So this is a very, very nice tire with this particular spacer lift that we have installed. So one more thing that we decided to change, just to kind of finish the little touches on this truck, is you'll notice that the center cap actually says Toyota on it. That is not the center cap that came with this vehicle. This is a TRD Sport model, so it came with a TRD center cap. We went ahead and replaced it with a Toyota center cap. This is one that is a little bit tricky to find. The only vehicle that came with that has that particular center cap is the 2024 model year, 1794 limited edition. And what made this particular special is it was silver lettering with the word Toyota. And coincidentally, on the TRD Pro Grille, it's also the same black backing with the silver lettering. So if you get this grille modification, it's a nice little touch to replace your center caps with those Tundra center caps from last year. They do fit perfectly into the front wheels, and on the rear wheels, they fit in perfectly, but the hub is a little bit elongated, so it does require just a slight bit of dremeling on the rear caps to make that fit in this particular wheel. You notice that we have the blocked out emblem overlays for the word Tacoma. This is the OEM TRD aluminum running board. Also, kind of moving off to the back, we added a real truck back flip tonneau cover. So it's a trifold, but it also has the ability just to kind of flip up flat, so you have maximum use of the bed without having to remove the tonneau cover completely. And we went ahead and added a bed rug as well. This is a cool accessory if you like to have nice things in your truck and not sliding around. One of the things that you kind of want to pay attention to when you're doing an install on one of these is you want to make sure that you remove any box or storage compartment on either side. prior to installation, so that once you have the bed rug installed, you can kind of reattach everything the way that it should be. Same thing with the cleat hooks that are located on the sides. You want to make sure that you pull everything off, install the bed rug, put your cleats and all your stuff back on there, and it really trims it off with a very, very nice OEM look and feel. And then other than that, we just added a ceramic coating to the exterior, simonized glass coat, so that it looks as beautiful as it does today, later on in the future. And if you guys like this truck, I can replicate it for you if you're in the market. If you want to use it for any kind of inspiration for your video, just ask in the comment section below, and we can answer any questions regarding anything that we've done on this particular truck. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.